Hello everyone, myself Navneet Kumar Singh and I am teaching you heat and mass transfer for your GATE examination. So my dear students, hope you are enjoying the subject. Now let us see a good question again on your fins. Okay, so I am reading the question and focus on the board. So a longitudinal aluminum fin with conductivity 270 watt per meter degree Celsius, 500 millimeter long and 2 millimeter diameter. The convective heat transfer coefficient is 80 watt per meter square degree Celsius. If the fin base temperature is 248 degrees Celsius, determine rate of heat transfer. Second is asking for the effectiveness of the fin and efficiency of the fin, my dear students, and efficiency of the fin. So let us see. What will be the efficiency of the fin. So my dear students, what he has given, let us see. So he has given us that conductivity of aluminum fin is given to be 270 watt per meter degree Celsius and the length of the fin is given to be 500 millimeter long. So this will be 0.5 meter, my dear students, 0.5 meter. And what is diameter is given to be how much? 2 millimeter. So this will become 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, my dear students. Now convective heat transfer coefficient is given to be 80. So H is given to be 80 watt per meter square degree Celsius, and the convective heat transfer is given. If the base temperature is 248 degrees Celsius, determine the rate of heat transfer. And so he have given one word which is your long. So I can consider this fin to be like infinitely long fin. So let us see, my dear students, infinitely long fin. So can I calculate the value of m? So what will be the value of m? Rate of heat transfer is given by, that is q infinite is given by under root hp KAC, that is area of cross section, into theta naught. Okay, let us see. So this is given by, heat is given by this. Let us see now. HPKAC, can we calculate the value of that HPKAC? Yes or no? Yes, we can already we can calculate. So this is given by, so this fin is what? This fin is, my dear students, this fin is what? This is your circular fin again. So this is your circular fin having some diameter d. So it will be having some perimeter which is pi d, and it will be having some area of cross section which is pi by 4 d square. Okay, so let us see what will be the value of heat transfer. So this will be given by under root of hp. So what is hp, my dear students? H, heat transfer coefficient, is 80, and what is the perimeter? So perimeter is given by pi into d. Let us take it h into pi d k, and area of cross section is given by pi by 4 d square KAC into theta naught. Theta naught is given by t naught minus t infinite. Let us put all values. So q for infinite fin will be given by under root of hp, that is, this will given how much? Pi square d cube by 4. So what is h? H is 80. What is k? So conductivity is given to be how much? 270. Multiply by, this will become pi square into d cube by 4, my dear students. Pi square by d cube. What is the diameter d? So diameter d is your 2 into 10 to the power 3 cube. Okay. Now multiplied by what? What is left with? So k, h we have taken, and k we have taken, and pi d, that will be pi square d cube divided by 4. Okay. Now this will be your again T naught minus T infinite. So what is the base temperature? 248 degrees Celsius minus what is the surrounding temperature? That is your 48 degrees Celsius. So what is the heat transfer? Let us see. So the heat transfer will be given by 80 minus 3 cube power 3 into pi square divided by 4 multiplied by 270 multiplied by 80 under root of this multiplied by 248, that will be 200, my dear students. So the heat transfer will be 4.129 watt. Okay, so the heat transfer in infinite case will be given by 4.129 watt. So can we calculate the second option, that is effectiveness of fin? So what is the effectiveness of fin, my dear students? What is the effectiveness? So let us see the second question, which is asking for effectiveness. So we know that effectiveness is generally what? Q fin, that is heat transfer by of fin divided by heat transfer without fin, my dear students. So what is the heat transfer with fin? We know that is given by HP KAC theta naught divided by what is the heat transfer without fin. If I will not attach this fin, so there will be this area from which there will be heat transfer, my dear student. This will be the area where from which there will be heat transfer. So this will be given by HAC multiplied by theta naught. So theta naught will go. I will be left with, and AC will go, H and H will go. So I will be left with PK by HAC. So let us see what will be the value. This will be the value PK by HAC, my dear students. So let us put the values and calculate it. So this will be P, this is pi d, K, which is given to be like how much? Let us take it K only, divided by H, pi by 4 d square. So d and d will go, pi and pi will go. So I will be left with 4k divided by dh, 4k divided by dh, my dear students. So let us put the value of this and find the effectiveness. So this will be given by under root of 4k. So 4 is given by 4 into k is given by how much? So k is to be like 270 divided by dh. So diameter is given as 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter multiplied by h is given to be how much? 80. So let us calculate this value. So what I will have, let us see. So this will be given by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 80, and that is divided by this, and under root of this is given by 82.15. So the effectiveness is given to be 82.15, my dear students. So I will have this effectiveness is equal to 82.15. So at last what he is asking? At last he is asking about the efficiency, my dear students. At last he is asking about the efficiency of fin. So what will be the efficiency of fin for infinite length? So efficiency of fin for infinite length will be given by, let us see. So efficiency of fin for infinite length will be given by, let us see. So efficiency is given by number case third. So efficiency of infinitely long fin, that is n infinite, is given by how much, my dear student? Efficiency is the when the entire fin is assumed to be at the base temperature, okay, and the actual, that is nothing but Q actual by Q base temperature, total heat, maximum heat, or we can say Q maximum, and this is given by 1 upon ml, my dear students. So can I calculate the value of m? So let us see the value of m. So value of m I have calculated how much? Let us see. So I have not calculated this. This will be HP by KAC. So this will become under root of HP, which is pi d, divided by K into AC, which is pi by 4 d square. So dt will go, pi by will go. So I will be left with 4h by k d, 4h by kd, 4h by kd multiplied by L. If I will put here this value, so this will become what? So efficiency of infinite fin will be, my dear student, this will be 1 upon ml. So this will become 1 upon under root of 4h upon kd multiplied by L, or directly I can write it like kd upon 4h into L. So let us calculate this value. So n infinite is given by under root of kd. So how much is kd? To 270. What is the diameter, my dear student? That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 into h is how much? Heat transfer coefficient is given to be 80 watt multiplied by L. What is L, my dear student? 0.5 meter. So let us calculate this value. So this value will become equal to, that is 270 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, my dear students, divided by 4 into 80, and under root of this will be 0.41 multiplied by 0.5. So this will be 0.020, my dear students. So n infinite is equal to 0.0205. So my dear students, if you will have, the efficiency will be your 2.05%. The efficiency will be 2.05%, my dear students. Okay. So this is up to it in this question. Hope you have understood this. So practice more number of questions so that you will be having, like when you are solving more number of questions, you are practicing numericals, you are doing calculations, then your error will be reduced or your accuracy will slowly increase. Okay, my dear students. So focus on the numericals, do more number of questions. Thank you so much.